In Summer 19, Lightning Flow gains the ability to work with web objects of the type that are commonly found in Internet APIs. You can turn Apex classes into building blocks that admins can use with simple point-and-click tools. Support any external data type or Apex type by turning your Apex classes into reusable, customizable components, and leverage rich data objects created in Apex and MuleSoft through point-and-click tools like Flow Builder, Strategy Builder, and other evocable actions. This is really powerful because there are a lot of ways you can get that internet data from Salesforce. Thus, the ability to process that data without writing code is very powerful. In this example, I have a flow that's going to process the response to an API call to a MuleSoft API and returns product information. That's this action here. Now, let's take a look at the MuleSoft data that's coming back, and you can see it here. It's pretty complex and not uncommonly complex for the internet, but the kind of things you'd usually have to use code for. But we're not going to use code. Instead, we're going to use Apex-defined variables, a new way to store information and Flow. To use a rich JSON web object in Flow, first create an Apex class that serves as a pattern. Once I have the pattern in Apex, I can then create Apex-defined Flow resources that will store that JSON and automatically convert it for use in Salesforce. In this flow, I extract pieces of the web object, loop over and process them, and assemble some Salesforce product records that I then save. When I run this flow, you can see the result in a set of 3 different records, each with its own SKU and its own image. And that maps nicely back to the original web JSON with its 3 different SKUs and images. Flow's newly enhanced support for web objects improves its ability to process incoming MuleSoft data and data from other web endpoints and work with it in a no-code environment.